Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Robotics, where we will teach you how to use the gesture control with the Bell robot. Okay, so basically what it means is you will be able to make a gesture, and what would happen is your Bell robot would react accordingly, okay, using the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so without further ado, let us start the Adama script IDE quickly so that we can upload a program to our Bell robot. Just give it a second, it's coming. So once it is up, what you have to do is you have to follow the convention, that is connect your Bell. Okay, so I mean, you could connect it later on as well, but I prefer to connect it in the beginning. Okay, so you choose COM4 and you choose Bell. Okay, so everything will be all right. And now instead of these stage layout, just put Arduino mode. Okay, once you do the Arduino mode, what happens is you're gonna have this section, and then you start with Adama script program. Okay, then you go to the forever block, you take a forever block, and then you take if block. Okay, so once you take a if block, inside the if block you have to put an operator, that is the AND block first. Okay, so in the AND, and inside the AND, the first one will be not. Okay, no, not like this. Put this not inside that, and then you put this here. So now you have to take the value of the ultrasonic sensor, or you can say, sorry, obstacle avoidance sensor. So drag one of them inside this one and the other one on the other one. Okay, so you will have obstacle 1 detected obstacle, and the obstacle 2 has detected obstacle. Now inside this, we want to repeat the process for about 300 times. It's going to be really quick, don't worry about it. And the calculation, now we want to check another if block. Okay, so you get another if block inside it, and once you have the if block, we have to check we have to check literally the same argument. Okay, where you can just copy this one and duplicate and drag it inside this. And now once you check this argument, you have to make the motors rotate, right? So take one motor 2. Okay, 2 motors. The first one, what we will do is we're gonna put as positive 50. The next one, the second motor, we're gonna do negative 50, so it's just gonna rotate once it gets the signal. Okay, now after this, we want to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so we want to just wait for 0.4 seconds, so we want this to be really quick. Okay, so just put this after the motor. Okay, and just after this section, we have to put another wait. We want to see how it goes, so just put another one just after this break. Okay, so after 0.4 there is a break block of if, and then you put 1.001. okay, so this should be after this if block. Okay, and then it will be repeated. Okay, so we can understand the difference. Now what we do is we literally copy this if block, duplicate it, and put it underneath this if block, and we just change the materials inside. Okay, so what materials do we change? We get rid of this 2 block, we just bring it outside and put this obstacle 2 out and bring it inside this one. Okay, and the not obstacle 1 detected here. Okay, obstacle 1, not obstacle 1. Okay, if everything is fine, and then what you do is here you have in the inside you have obstacle 1, right? So you drag it out and you drag this one out as well. You just shuffle the place, so this one should be obstacle 2 and this one should be obstacle 1. All right, so once you do that, here you have your motor speed. Now we need to make it rotate the other way. So the first one was rotating in one direction, this one is going to rotate in the other direction, so minus 50 and plus 50. Okay, so one is going to go towards the left, the other one is going to go towards right. And there is something else left. Okay, just a little bit of work left. So what we do is at the end we need to give an instruction to make the motors stop. Okay, so for that we need to go here, we need to take motor 1, but that should be just before the end. Okay, so just before the forever here, motor 1 and motor 2, so both of them should be set to zeros. Okay, so now this is our program. You can just save your project as gesture control, just give me a second please, gesture control, and then you can save it. Okay, so once you save it, and then what you do is you just upload to your robot Bell. Okay, that's it guys.